got our eyes onto another stock, which is now down, by the way, 3.5%. I am referring to Zomato. Why are we focusing on Zomato? Because word is that Jio is, making its entry into the delivery space with Jio Mart. We all know Mangalam's joining in. Mangalam, we all know the kind of disruptor that Jio can be in any sector that it enters. Now, what's happening with Zomato?
Well, for starters, quick commerce is the buzzword. Everyone's talking about Blinkit, etc. What we forget is that Reliance had an investment in Dunzo as well. So do they have the capabilities? Do they have the investment? Most definitely. It was just a matter of time that more people would come by. And we had a conversation with DMart's Neville Narona as well, who said that QCom is the way to go for India itself. What's unintuitive is brokerages actually calling it out as an impact on Zomato itself, and as a result of which Macquarie has an underperform rating and a target of 96 rupees itself after a big rally that we've seen in the stock from levels a little under 50 rupees itself. So they're saying that competitive intensity is rising. Jio Mart will start delivering groceries in 30 minutes from the next month. They will initially provide services in 8 cities and expand to top 20-30 in phase 1. They continue to see downside to consensus forecasts and margins for Blinkit. And that's where the surprise is, because most on the street actually believe that their aspirations on Blinkit are lower than what the company is actually performing. DP Goyal himself has said that Blinkit, in terms of TAM and growth, could actually be a lot higher than what the food service vertical is. If there was any worry on Zomato, it would largely come on the food delivery business, where the street believes that there is some saturation that it has reached. Let's see how this pans out. More importantly, the back-end work that Blinkit has done, the reach that they have, at what pace can other players come in, and will that come in at the cost of margins for one person or the other, or will people like you and me continue to pay the convenience fee for the service itself, is the big question that we need an answer to. So let's see how that comes about. For Blinkit, it's actually started operations in Gujarat very recently as well. So they are expanding, and now competitors are coming into the quick commerce space as well. This place is going to be interesting.
Oh, that's to say the least, absolutely. That's a rather dramatic price target that Macquarie's put out. I just realized 96, right? They're talking about a 44% downside. Pretty stark, and I guess maybe because of that, the market's taking note of it, and perhaps an excuse to book some profits. Mangalam, thank you very much for that. Zomato definitely in focus today. We'll take a quick break on that note, come back on the other side. Up next, we'll be speaking with Prashant Rao from Anand Rathi Investment Banking and talk about a report that they've come out with, and they seem to be quite bullish on the defense space. We'll find out more.